Driving through the night, looking for a sight, with a pick and a shovel. Rock hound, rock hound, rock hound. Looking through the rocks for a gem to take home. Rock hound, rock hound, rock hound. Fever right, topaz for right. Rock hound, rock hound, rock hound. Rock hound, rock hound, rock hound.
Because I get on the Greenstones. Hot damn, I found them again. I don't find a Upperlite, but I sure find the Greenstones. And here we are, once again, finding them for you. Please subscribe and watch the fine moments of me finding Greenstones. Holy moly. Everything that looks like a greenstone. It's treacherous. Oh, my ankles. Probably the one I threw down. Look at that. There's a few in there, but whoa, and then you break it and all of a sudden there's a woolly mammoth in there. Never know. Definitely some in there. I just not. There's a little bit of greenstone there. Hot diggity dog. All right, whoa, that's it for me, man. I always say that's it, and then all of a sudden you look down and there's a heifer load. There you go. More greenstones. Hot damn. All right, well, the biggest one is a quarter today, but we'll take it. And I'm full to the brim, boys. Gotta find some on the other side, but hot damn, we found some. All right, we're heading back. We got to put this bucket away, and I don't want to blow my nuts out because they're starting to, you get older, I don't want to star in a nutcracker suite this year. Holy moly. Look out. Oh, boy, am I tired. Hot damn, we were on the Greenstones. Just looking for big ones. Heifer stones. Yeah, I don't know. There are big greenstones in there. There could be. I don't see them. One never knows. Watching live, ouch, in action, Greenstone. Boy, is there any big balls in there? A little bit of greenstone, nothing big. You never know. Do the Hail Mary. Oh boy. Huh. Just nothing. Glad I have calcite in it too. All right. That's the way it goes. Alright, well, it's about time to go, boys. I always think they're gonna find another one, but this was the stone. It might have one in, but one bucket's enough. I'm not a 2 bucket a day person. Here's a little greenstone on the rock. Look at that little baby. Put it in my pocket. Hot damn. We on the greenstones. Hot damn. Boy, oh boy. All right, I'm done. Whoa. I gotta get back to the front. Oh, shoot. My God, I'm tired. Enough of this greenstone. This greenstone stuff will get you tired. Ooh. All right. Oh, moly. One, two. 1, 2, 3. Heifer! Whoa! Holy! Oh boy. Well, that's it, boys. Hot damn, that was a heifer. And hot dang am I tired. Signing off. Stay tuned. Whew, that's it for me. Thimbleberry. Hot damn, they're in season, boys. There's another one. Whew. I'm gonna have to pick and eat this one. Oh boy. Oh, those are good. Get out there and get some thimbleberries. There they are, boys.